Welcome to Expo News with the latest news. Let's watch today's news reports.
This is Noor from Ukraine. Thank you for the Expo News.
One of the top brands.
My name is Katrina Horoni.
Welcome to Expo News.
Good evening, viewers. This is Yusra, and I'm here at Expo Center, Lahore. Digital printing machine, cutting dies, label printing machine. Today we are at Print Expo. So let's see what's happening. Sir, as a chief guest, please share your views.
पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी है वो भी इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही है और पबजी अपने प्लेटफॉर्म से इन तमाम चीज़ों को बेहतर अंदाज में कर रहा है.
So let's go and talk to one of the top brand of this expo. Sir, अपनी कंपनी के बारे में प्लीज कुछ बताइए.
Company was based in UAE for 35 years, and we recently moved to Pakistan 2-3 years ago, and we basically deal in offset printing, which includes packaging of perfume boxes, cosmetics, candies, all that stuff. In Pakistan, we have a couple of large companies which include Golden Pearl, Care, and Mayfair. And in Dubai, we mostly work with perfume companies which are small over there. So we work in small quantities in Dubai. But in Pakistan, we work with the bigger quantities with the cosmetic companies.
तो इससे एक तो रोज़गार के मौके भी पैदा होंगे, फिर एक स्टेज आएगी कि इसकी टेक्नोलॉजी भी यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होगी.
Find more news reports of this event. Log on to exponews.com.pk.